Hey guys, in this quick tutorial, I'll show you how you can record stock purchased in QuickBooks, so let's get started. First, open QuickBooks and go to the dashboard. From here, navigate to the plus new button on the left side menu. In the vendor section, click on Bill if you purchase stock on credit or expense a check if you paid immediately. Next, choose the vendor's name from whom you purchased the stock. Then, fill in the purchase details, including the date of purchase, payment terms, and bill number if applicable. Now, in the Item Details section, select the inventory item you purchased. If you haven't set up this item before, click on Add New to create it. Enter the product name, SKU or item number, purchase description, cost, and income expense accounts. Don't forget to set the type as inventory. Once the item is set up, enter the quantity purchased and the rate per unit. QuickBooks will automatically calculate the total cost for you. Finally, review all the details carefully, and then click Save and Close or Save and New, depending on whether you want to record another purchase right away. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, consider giving it a like and subscribe.